Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Kezi Pro, and what I do is that I go online and I try things out and they work, and I'll come here and I'll give you the info. And this is Tone Peak. Tone Peak. This is where you earn tone coin every hour for free. No payment, free registration, no ads, a free site. So every hour you will come here, you solve the captcha, then you claim it and it will add here. So because for those who have not yet registered, let me take it through the registration process. Okay, see here, if you are a new user, here you come, you input your desired email, your password, then this one is optional. Okay, sign up and login. You input your username, your desired email address, your password, you repeat the password. Here you input my referral link, which I will drop in my description. So you go there and copy it and input it here. Don't clean it, though it's optional, but don't clean it, you leave it. Then once you are done, you solve the captcha here, then you click on sign up. I've already done the registration, so let's head back to the dashboard. So let's solve the captcha. Click on it. So easy to solve. Click on login. This is how the dashboard is. But you as a new registrar, see, when I register, they say, okay, if you register as a new registrar, here the first information that will be here, you will see congratulations, verify your email to receive 10 free bonus for set. And once you verify your email, because they will send you the verification link in your email address. Once you verify it, for the whole of 24 hours you will receive double pay for that 24 hours as a new registrar. That is, the new person was supposed to be, you'll be earning on stone, but for 24 hours of registering you and verifying your email, you'll be earning this iron for 24 hours. Once 24 hours goes, you continue earning your stone. And the earning, see how it is. So every 24 hours, every hour you click on it, click on claim, it will add. You see, so easy. And once you verify your email address, you come here. This is the bonus faucet. Once you click on it, you be clicking here 10 times. Once you've verified it, after it, you are done. And this is new year. To them, they are giving out to their every users 25 free spins. And how to get this 25 free spin is when you scroll down here, click on gift. I've already done mine. If you click on gift, you then input that happy new year here. Once you input it, click on see, I've redeemed it here. You get it, your 25 free spin. And in that free spin, you have the probability of earning even 7 tone. So here, this is where people are making money on tone. Yeah, and here we have many other things you can do to earn apart from um, hourly claiming. Time war, you can work on time war. You can work with their tax. You can work their tax, view the necessary information. Then after after applying and doing the necessary thing they ask you, because before you start you click on this, then you read the instructions, read everything, then when you are good to go, you submit it and get paid. And once you get paid there, you withdraw it. Once you are withdrawing it, it will add up to your tone balance. You can do their offer, you can also do their clicks. Here you can also do Moonlix offer ads that you can just watch for just some hours. So let's just from some seconds, not hours. So let's watch this. Once this is full, you saw some this capture. You are done. Then you click back, then you refresh the page, be looking up to this balance. You see it will add. You see it has added. So easy. So I encourage you guys to start here so you can earn on tone. And for here, how you can increase it, working every withdrawal you are doing on tone is also on time war, is also helping to increase this your level. It helps in increasing it. So this is it. Thank you. And please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel to get more info.